Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial we are going to make crochet number 7. That's how this number looks after being attached to my project. The size of finished number 7 is approximately 2 inches or 5 centimeters, and for this number we're going to use double knit yarn, crochet hook 3mm size, and scissors. We're going to start our number 7 with chain of 14 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. We have a chain of 14 stitches. We're going to start crocheting from the second chain, and our first step will be single crochet in next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Our next step will be decrease of 3 stitches. So we're going to have a decrease of 3 stitches. We have on our hook 3 stitches and just pulling yarn through all of them, and that's our decrease of 3 stitches. And our last step will be single crochet in the next 7 stitches till the end of our row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And that's it. Our number 7 is almost complete. I'm going to cut yarn off, leaving long tail for sewing. I'm gonna pull yarn through my stitch, and that's our number 7 is done. That's how it looks. Thank you for watching this short and sweet YouTube tutorial on how to make number 7. If you would like to find more videos how to make more numbers, please look in the description below, where you can find link to my blog as well. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you in my next videos.